Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's relevant to many of us. Exercise tips for busy people. We all know the importance of exercise, but when time is tight, it can feel like an impossible task. That's where we come in. This video is designed to give you useful, practical tips that can help fit exercise into even the busiest of schedules. So, even if your to-do list is longer than a CVS receipt, don't fret. Stay tuned as we dive into some practical tips you can incorporate into your schedule. First up, think about how you can incorporate movement into your daily routine. It's all about making the most of those little moments throughout the day. Consider this: instead of taking the elevator, why not use the stairs? A simple switch that can make a world of difference. And what about parking? If you drive, try parking a little further away from your destination and enjoy the walk. It's an easy way to add a few extra steps to your day. Then, there are your phone calls. Whether you're catching up with a friend or taking a business call, why not do it on the move? Walking while you talk not only boosts your step count, but it can also help clear your mind and improve your focus. So, you see, these aren't big time-consuming changes. They're small, manageable adjustments that can add up to significant exercise over the course of a day. With these small changes, you're already on your way to becoming more active. Next, consider high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. This workout strategy is all about maximum effort in minimum time. It involves short bursts of intense exercises followed by brief recovery periods. The beauty of HIIT is that it allows you to get a full body workout in as little as 20 minutes. Imagine doing a series of squats, push-ups, burpees, or jumping jacks for 30 seconds at your maximum capacity, then resting for another 30 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. The key here is intensity. You're pushing your body to its limit for a short period, which increases your heart rate and burns more calories. And the best part? You don't need any fancy gym equipment. Your own body weight can provide all the resistance you need. So, whether you're in a hotel room, at home, or even in the office, you can squeeze in a HIIT workout. HIIT can be a game changer for those tight on time, providing a quick but effective workout. Another tip is to make the most of your breaks. You see, every pause in your schedule presents an opportunity to squeeze in some physical activity. Let's say you're working and your brain needs a brief respite. Instead of scrolling through social media or getting another cup of coffee, why not stand up and stretch? It's a simple act, but it can do wonders for your body and mind. Desk exercises are another fantastic option. From seated leg raises to chair squats, these movements can help combat the ill effects of prolonged sitting. And if you have a bit more time, a brisk walk around your office building or block can be an excellent way to rejuvenate your senses while also getting your heart rate up. So the next time you find yourself with a few spare minutes, remember, this is your chance to move. Don't let it slip away. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to staying active. To wrap up, even with a busy schedule, fitting in exercise is possible. We've discussed incorporating movement into your daily routine, using high-intensity interval training, and making the most of your breaks. Give these tips a try and see how they can fit seamlessly into your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Remember, your health is worth making time for. Until next time, stay active and healthy.